Okay, it's on. Vlogmas is on, y'all. Welcome back to my channel, CaliReddGlam. Welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. And if you are new, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button down below. Over here, we are posting for Vlogmas every day up until the 25th, okay? And thank you to the Glam Squad for returning. Yes, you guys, it's Vlogmas day 2, okay? And I am excited. I'm really excited, but a little nervous, though, because I feel like last year I just did it and there was no, like, thinking about it. But this time I kind of, like, made sure I listed things I need to do. At the same time, I'm like, you know what? If it happens on the list, okay, of things that I've previously wrote down, it happens. But for my to-do list for the day, definitely want to make sure that we're doing the outside candy canes of the house, of the front yard. And I'm going to the hair supply store because I'm braiding hair today, okay? Y'all know how that goes. And I want to make sure that I open up an Advent calendar every day. So I'm excited to start Vlogmas. I hope you guys are too. Vlogmas is always pretty fun. You know, like I told you guys before, you get to just show what you're doing throughout the month, especially leading up to Christmas. Already did my countdown to Christmas. You guys saw that already. So by the time you guys see this, it would already have gone up because I'll show you guys some of my favorite house Christmas decor. And then I also show you guys me putting up my Charlie Brown tree because it really looked like a Charlie Brown Christmas tree, you guys, which I did yesterday. Okay, so I ended up decorating that yesterday in day 1. So make sure you guys go and check out those vlogs. I will list them in the description bar below so you can check them out easily. Okay, and don't forget to show your girl some love. So yes, you guys, I'm just kind of like chilling out. I need to go over here and I need to put on some of my product. Y'all sitting in my self-care cabinet, that's what I should call it. These are like literally my favorites, you guys. It's really hydrating. Okay, everything today is going to be hydrating products because, of course, it's the winter time. So we got to change it up a little bit, add in some new things. So I definitely need to go shopping for some new products. But really, I don't have to. I do have a lot of things that will help with that, okay? A vitamin C glow that I really like. I got this from Ross, you guys, a while ago. Yeah, just a little skincare in the morning. I told you guys in my previous vlog about that Dewy Ciate London. It's called the Dewy Skin. Oh, so good. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of that. Look at all these skincare products that I have. And a lot of them are gifts for my baby girls. I'm always editing. I'm trying to see how this will go, though. I'm really trying to see how Vlogmas is going to go, you guys. I did it last year. Let's see. So, anyway, I'm going to go and chill out, edit. Hey, y'all, I'm back.
Oh, that's a wake me back.
Alright, y'all. I'm about to head to the car because my baby girl is waiting on me. So, I'll see you in a little bit. Alright, you guys. I am waiting for my baby girl to come off the bank. She just texted me and said that the bank line is super long. I said, girl, they close. It's 11:30 something right now. And I said, girl, they want to get off of work. Trust me, it closed at 12. They're definitely going to want to get off of work. Trust. All right, you guys, so we are on our way to Dollar General. I want to see if Dollar General has more jars for my cocoa bar. So we're going to go in here. Ooh, they have Christmas stuff. This is cute. $3. This is a cute wreath. Oh. They got the old ones like I had before. They had these in Ross. These were in Ross. Wow, for $2 here. Ooh, look at this. The decals for the wall. These are placemats. How much they selling them for? $3. Oh, these are cute. %50 off of all the fall. So this is cute. Oh wow. Oh, these are good for some gifts. $10. Those are good gifts. Ooh, even the nail set is on sale. Let me see. Ooh, yeah. These are good little gifts. Ooh. Cute. These are even good gifts too. Pretty sure some popcorn in there. Popcorn or candy. A basket bag. A kid's apron. Ooh, oh my God, a Lazy Susie Christmas form. It's $8. I think I'm gonna get this. It's cute. I don't like these ones. Baby girl don't like gnomes. But who want that set? You don't want that set for the holidays. Look at this. Oh, a sugar bowl. And then, oh, I need some of these. These will be cute. But where are the silver ones at? Boom, for the Christmas tree. Oh, this is cute. The North Pole coal. Oh, I don't need these. I was going to get me some. They $4. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to get those. That's cute. Dear son, I'll be nice after coffee. Look how cute this is. This is so cute. $1. Remember, my mom used to buy these all the time. I just make them out of gift wrapping paper nowadays, though. I bought a project. We back.
I got it for her. I have
For my couch?
the order myself.
She bought it for my couch. She rethinking it. Oh, that's good. Keep it. Which one? I was just showing you guys in the aisle that these are good gifts to give to people, and she bought one for her best friend. She's gonna like that, and this white peach and orange blossom sent together. Oh, she gonna like this. First of all, I just want to say that I don't like Saturdays. Saturday has become my very much least.
Because you don't go with the flow. You have to go with the
She said I don't go with the flow. Oh no, don't play.
Stiff in the Saturday world when you
She said I'm stiff in the Saturday world.
Stiff.
I like Monday because it's not a lot of people just going crazy. Monday my favorite day of the week. And then my baby girl about to go on Walmart. I'm wondering, I don't like Walmart. I don't have nothing I really need to get out of there. But I'm wondering, should I go in there so that I can get an Avid calendar? She just bought 2 big bags of chips and a box of chips, and she about to grab another one. No.
Yeah, see,
Girl. See, some stuff at Winco is cheaper.
I will say the cream cheese here is cheaper and the cheese here is cheaper.
Ooh, those are good gifts. What is that? Oh, is that $5.9? Oh no, that's Skeletor. There should be something. These are all good gift ideas. That's not an advent calendar. Oh, look at this. The Buddy Sunday. A Buddy Sunday. So this is cute. 12 days of mask. Would I want to put a mask on every day? This Wreath, this is cute. Look at that. Why can't it be $5 though? That one is $29. This one is cute. I like this. Okay, y'all, we are back from Walmart and Dollar General. Of course, I didn't find nothing in Walmart. I was looking for that advent calendar. I'm actually going online to order 2 different advent calendars from Target because it's only a 12-day, and so I'll just have 2 different kinds. More than likely, one looks like it's beauty, and then one looks like wellness. So we'll see. Anyway, I had to hurry up and go get me some dishwashing liquid because this one is only $1 at Dollar General. It's scrub free. If you have a local Dollar General or its sister store near you, look for this. It's not $1.25, $1.50. It's just $1, and it has OxyClean in there. Smells really lemony fresh. I was telling y'all probably a couple weeks ago that I was looking for this because I was saying that I wanted it, but then I didn't pick it up. I took a picture of it, and they still had it in there. So I have my Good Woodsy Fireside Scent. It's by Glade, and it's Festive Fireside Glow. That's the name of this one. It's a limited edition. Whew. I'm so happy. This smells so good, y'all. I needed this. This reminds you of winter cabin feel, you know? Not cabin fever, okay? Cabin feel. I end up grabbing some of these little pop-up stickers. Of course, the girls are probably going to put them on like the back door. I usually put them on the back door and on the refrigerator. So I think this one is going to go on the back door, and I might go to the Dollar Tree and grab more bars. Okay, and of course y'all saw me buying these little ornament hangers, at 80 count. They're not really long. I usually like the long ones. Yeah, these are not that long. I might have to go back and buy long ones. My last bag. Okay. Y'all saw me throwing a lot of this stuff in here, so it's not a surprise to y'all, but I thought this was cute. This hat, and it was only $1. Merry and Bright. Very cute. This is going to be a cute gift bag for someone. How cute. Very pretty. And then I got this little satchel. I'm going to put some pine cones in it. North Pole Contents Lumps. Oh, it has to be cold. Naughty Nice. I tried. Oh, yeah, I got to put coal in there. Okay. So I found this wreath. This garland. I keep calling it a wreath. I found this garland for $3, and it's a 24 foot. And I really don't need the whole thing. So I might double it up, but it actually looks pretty thick. It looks pretty thick. And I might hang some, I have a candy cane peppermint style wreath that I might hook inside of here because it's very silvery. It has a frosted look. So I am going to do something with this. I can't tell you yet. I have these to go with something that I can't tell you yet. Okay, so I thought these were cute because they are silver, and then it has red, and then this one has the red with the green. I bought 3 of these, and I bought 3 of these, so they'll like kind of match up because it still has the red in here. Oh, then of course I have the green ornament hangers. So I bought a few of those things. Oh, and this is the one that's going to go on the refrigerator. Very cute. Very, very, very cute. I like this. Okay, so this is Gingerbread Joy. Let's see how this smells. This very cinnamony. It smells more cinnamon than anything. I got Cotton Laundry Glade. And I can spray, ooh, it really smells nice and fresh. Cotton Laundry. You want to test out how it smells. What you do is you squeeze the top like this while it's still in the package, and then you smell the top. And that's how you'll know if you like the scent or not. Have hair to do tonight. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. My baby girl's going to get the hair together. And that is what's going down for today. I'm probably not going to vlog me doing her hair. So, and I do have a video to edit, so, hey, it's on. Vlogmas is on, y'all. We want to set up the outside bow on the gate. So let's do that right now.
I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat with a woman. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I gotta be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me.
Found it, and it wasn't in the one that I was looking for, so I had to shut the cameras down. So yeah, tell me right now, you guys, which one would you hang your wreath on? The red one or the gold one? The gold one is longer. The red one is shorter.
Next thing I know, I'm dealing with the 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to hold me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong.
This one always looks better. Everything looks better right here. So what do y'all think? I feel like the red one looks cute. The gold is a little bit cute, but this look good together. We're set.